Hello YouTube, all the internet users out there. I got a really good pickup today. I've been waiting for this for the longest. Just to give you a little hint on what they are. If you look here, yes, Air Foamposite 1, size 10.5. Suggested retail $200. First off, I'm gonna start showing all my videos with receipts, cause you know how all those haters out there be saying, "Oh, they're fake." Well, I'm gonna hold on. Let me find them for you. I got these for 120 where I live in Florida. Air Foamposite 1, Nike. Blah 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 blah. But yes, here they are. I did wear these about once already. These are the original box. I do have the little things in them. The little so they don't crease, but these don't really crease. The overall quality of the shoe is just amazing. I mean, the carbon fiber plating is just feels ridiculous. The the whole underneath the shoe, it doesn't even yellow. The whole underneath the shoe doesn't even yellow. The clear marks, it's the shoe is just made to last. Got your half penny cent, your pull tab with four stripes, pull tab on the front with four stripes. Got your half penny cent logo. It's just, and the carbon fiber plating is just, you could just hear it. It's like ridiculously hard. These are not fake, 100% real. I am in love with these shoes. I did lacing and everything. The lacing is really nice. I love the red, goes straight up here. Anyway, guys, until the next pickup, I will be having new shoes soon. Very soon. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Oh, and also, if you guys haven't noticed, didn't know, I'm a big Minecraft fan. So I'm also gonna shout out my friend Outcast Joey. He's doing commentary. He's working really hard on videos. I'd really appreciate it if you go over to his channel and just watch a couple of his videos. You know, subscribe if you really like him. If you're into Minecraft. I'm starting to get into Minecraft. I really like it. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. I'm gonna put a link of my friend's channel in the description. Just check out his channels. See if you like it. If some of my subscribers are Minecraft fans, and I don't know what else to say about the shoe. It's just overall one of the most perfect shoes I've owned in the past couple of years. So yeah, link in the description. Comment, rate, subscribe, YouTube. Thanks a lot.